Welcome back to Good Day. So Amanda House has been scouring the internet looking for tips and tricks to make our lives a little easier.
Yeah, so I've never tied a tie in my life before, and I saw this one on the internet and I was like, oh, that looks pretty easy. I'm going to see if I can do it. So let's check it out. So I found this reel on Facebook for an easy and quick way to tie a tie. That looks, wow, fast, easy. Okay, but can I do it? I'm gonna test out this hack here. Let's see. I stole a tie from one of our guys here, either one of the meteorologists or one of the anchors. Thank you. And okay, I'm gonna do one loop around, another loop around, and then pull through. Did I get it? Did I get it? Ooh, I think I got it. That looks pretty good, right? Oh, we'll see what Steven thinks. Steven's like, I think my way's better.
Well, I enjoy a full double Windsor knot, but sure, let's try it. Okay.
Full double Windsor knot.
Can you teach me how to do it?
Okay.
Right.
So on your arm like this, you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna loop once.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like that. Is that fine?
Yep.
All right.
Then do it again.
So one more time. This will help me at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Apparently.
You got it.
All right.
Okay. Now, take the bottom loop. Let me see. I'm trying to. There we go. And pull it underneath the top loop.
Okay.
And pull.
All right. Yeah, that's my tie. Bingo.
Did you get it?
Absolutely not.
No.
Oh, hold on. You know what? Maybe I did. Here it is. Bingo.
Here it is.
No, it's backwards, but it's okay.
There.
There
Mine's kind of backwards too.
There you go.
I did it better in the video. It's backwards.
That's okay. That'll work.
That looks like a knot to me. Okay, I'll send you the video.
Okay.
You can practice, but yours does look a lot better than the one that I did.
Well, thanks.
Yeah, it looks.
I mean, depends on how you like your tie.
Right.
Some like to wear their tie with the single loose knot, not so defined, and that's okay. But not me.
Yours looks very good.
Thanks.
Looks very good. Hey, my first time learning how to tie a tie, I think I did okay. So
I think it was great. Maybe it'll help someone out.
Maybe it'll help someone. I'm going to post it on my Facebook page later on today, so look for that. Maybe you've got a beginner. You've got a young man in the house who's trying to get a job or something like that, you know?
And he can tie his tie on his arm.
On his arm.
Instead of his neck.
There we go.
There you go. It helps.